30 billion for the account, yo. Yeah. Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby. No do.
Great. It is great opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Godswill Igiloja. I'm here to give us these great opportunities that will change our financial life in general. I will be talking on cryptocurrency and the other two opportunities. Now, talking about cryptocurrency, I want to talk on one of the cryptocurrency called the Billion Coin, TBC. Now, you may have heard about TBC, which is the Billion Coin, but you really might not know much about it. Now, the Billion Coin called TBC is an abundant-based cryptocurrency and is here to change lives. Ladies and gentlemen, this TBC called the Billion Coin grows at a rate of 1 to 5% daily, and it has changed so many lives. You can't afford to miss this opportunity if you have not keyed into it. We'll be telling you and showing you ways on how to go about it. Mind you, free gift is currently on. Gift worth 20,000 naira that will be given to you. Yes, I mean it. Gift worth 20,000 naira from TBC. You can't afford to miss this opportunity. We have seminar that is coming up. Now you might ask, what have people benefited from this TBC? Yeah, it's a good question. So many people have benefited from this coin called TBC. Now, I will tell you that so many people have bought cars, landed properties, and what have you, name them, houses, with this TBC called the Billion Coin. You can't afford to miss it. As I speak now, outside, there is a Toyota Corolla car that is parked, branded with TBC, was purchased or bought with full TBC. Yeah, you heard me right. Was bought with full TBC. And we'll be showing you these secrets on how to go about it. Now, I want to tell you that there is a seminar coming up, and this seminar is going to tell us and also show us the secrets and system to wealth creation. You can't afford to miss this seminar. It is called 4 Super Sundays, and it's starting this very Sunday on the 30th July, 6th of August, 13th of August, and 20th of August in the heart of Warri, number 8, Omote Joko Street, off Bright Hope, Airport Road, Warri, Delta State. The time is 2 p.m. You can't afford to miss this opportunity. There are so many testimonies everywhere, people testifying how they benefited from this great opportunity called the Billion Coin. I will tell you, even if you have attended so many seminars and nothing happened, hear this. This seminar will surely change your financial states. Just come. You have nothing to lose. But if you fail to come, you have everything to lose. Mind you, there's a free gift worth 20,000 for the first 200 persons to attend. For more information, you can look the screen, the numbers you can call, or the email, and we will attend to you.
Yo man, like I said before, here's the car, fully paid for with TBC. You know, like I said before, TBC is real, TBC is changing lives, and I'll also show you something. Just hold on. I think, okay, you see this? This is a landed property that I purchased with the proceeds from TBC. Ladies and gentlemen, who said there's a recession? With TBC, you know no recession. Even when people are shouting or lamenting about the country and what have you, I can tell you that with TBC, life is sweet.
My brothers and sisters, mama and papa, make una come invest for TBC. TBC na baba.
My brothers and sisters, I want you all to come to this seminar for us to teach you guys how to survive with TBC in this present economy.
Are you still doubting? With TBC, the billion come and invest with TBC, the billion come. TBC is as free as the food you eat. Oh,
30 billion for the account, yo. Yeah, Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby. No do, gala for me.